And I think we're up. Hello everybody, this is my first proper video, and I'm just going to be showing off my game that I've coded in Scratch. So it's called Super Sandbox Beta. I'm going to change the name later. The controls are say here. I'm going to link it into the description. So yeah. So it's a very simple little game. It's a sandbox game. You can hold space to open the menu and use number keys to switch items. I added a flintlock pistol. Takes a long time to reload, but yeah. But handier is the bow. I do have a game that is set in a modern time as well, but it's an old. Yeah, it has more features, but it's a worse game because it's a lot buggier and worse generally. So it's called Builder's Mod. I'm maybe gonna do a revamp of it. But yeah, I've coded fluid simulations for this game. So if I hit the barrel, it starts leaking everywhere and actually like behaving like if it's leaking and leaving, well, liquids. And there's actually a setting up here when you open the pause menu that enables and disables blood. If I enable it, then if I spawn in a zombie, he bleeds. But if I disable it, which I will have for this video, it disappears. There's a clean button if you want to clean up all of the stuff, and a kill button for resetting the character. If you press the swarm button, an entire swarm of zombies will spawn in, and your character will say, "Get ready." This is basically just if the player wants to actually have something to do except for building. Oh yeah, item number 1 isn't nothing, it's the build tool. So I'm just going to build a little box for myself. The zombies don't have the best pathfinding, but it's better than nothing. Oh yeah, when the player dies, you can just respawn by pressing any key on the keyboard. And because of it caused a lot of bugs when you switched to another weapon while reloading, so sadly you'll have to wait until you've reloaded before you can switch out of the flintlock. If you don't want to know what a flintlock is, think yourself like the world's oldest model of pistol. That is literally what it is. It is a pistol. It's basically a small version of a musket. That's what a flintlock is. And I've added it to my game because because my friends were asking for guns, even though it's meant to be a game that's set in a more fantasy setting. But okay, I'll add a gun, but it'll be an old gun. And I died. Get out of here, you bloody you blood-headed idiots. But if I reset the game, so basically that spawns a random swarm of zombies. But there's of course more stuff to do. One fun feature is that if you're using your telekinesis, you can pick stuff up, of course, including zombies. But if you press E, you can teleport to your mouse pointer. And by pressing F, you summon fire. And yes, you can burn stuff with it. You can burn a zombie, which looks funny, and you can also to explode it. So if you were asking why the barrel doesn't explode when you hit it, that's because it's not an explosive barrel. But it's full of a flammable substance. So if you turn on fire, it explodes and deals massive damage. I'm going to activate blood now. For just a little while. Hope I don't get demonetized from pixelated blood. Would be over the top though to get demonetized for this, because this isn't even that gory. It's just video game blood. But yeah, you can build houses. Or you could do exactly what I like to do, and that is build a house. Then try to see how long you can survive the waves for. That's how I play it, but you can play however. I'm planning to add more stuff. You can even leave comments on what kind of stuff I should add to the game. Or you could just chat on, or you could play try playing Builder's Mod and then tell me to, or maybe you could just try out playing Builder's Mod. I have a question. Should I after I feel like I've worked on this game for long enough, or maybe when I'm done with this game, maybe start development on a sequel to Builder's Mod. I'll make a video on Builder's Mod later, but remember, it's an old game. I have updated it a lot since it was created, but it's an older game. But yeah, I'm gonna create a little house here. Make it hard for the zombies to actually pathfind in. With that I mean, like, they are so stupid that just a simple turn, like, if I just get this here, and then... What the hell? There, they probably can't get in here. Saying that, I am lagging quite a lot, but that's probably because I'm recording. Actually, because there's so many zombies, I'll turn off blood. There. Oh yeah, by the way, blood doesn't lag your game at all. Maybe like while it's being spawned, but everything that's on the ground and can't be interacted with is actually not even an object. It's just drawn on screen and then never runs any code. It is purely decorational. Get out of here, boys. Get out of here. Yeah, the telekinesis is kind of overpowered, but I don't care. It's not meant to be a game that's meant to be hard. It's a sandbox game. Having one item be extremely overpowered is completely okay. Using this basically makes you a god, but you can't move, so it's a trade-off. But yeah. Oh, this is lagging. My gosh, that's a lot of lag. So therefore, I'm going to place a ton of barrels around the entire building. To show off that I've coded proper explosives. Okay, it's lagging too much, I can't. It's a relatively optimized game as well, so they... But yeah, I think that should be enough. Goodbye.